Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send Bitcoin from MoonPay to another wallet. So here's a simple workaround on how you can easily send Bitcoin from MoonPay to another wallet. So open your MoonPay and log into your account or their website. So go to the wallet/assets, then tap wallet or asset and select Bitcoin. So tap the send button /withdrawal for BTC, then open the receiving wallet. So once you open it, then paste the BTC address into the MoonPay recipient address field. Enter the amount of BTC to send, and also double check the address, verify the first and the last 6 characters if they match, then send a small test for recommended transaction just to confirm if everything works well. Then after that, you have to authorize and confirm the send in MoonPay and complete any 2FA or verification code. So save the transaction ID MoonPay shows after sending, then track the transfer with the TXID on Bitcoin Explorer. So once the test arrives, send the remaining amount if everything looks correct. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.